Hey guys, so today we're going to do this kind of like wrap around ponytail style. So to start with, what you want to do, especially if the hair is kind of soft, is use some kind of texture spray. So it could be like a powder. I'm going to use today the Colour Wow style on steroids, but you could use kind of like a clay spray, anything that's going to give the hair some grip. So you're just going to spray that through the top and the mids. So just running the fingers through my hair. I'm going to take my fingers and just come kind of diagonally back to just at the top of the crown area. This is going to be your main piece of hair that runs all the way through the centre, okay? So this is the bit that we're going to be wrapping. You're going to take a slice of hair and we're going to go underneath our wrap section and back around like that, okay? And now you're going to take a piece from this side. So again, we've got this section here. We're going to go under and we're going to wrap around. Okay, so I've got the middle section, I've got my two wrap sections. You're going to go again, grab a piece of hair, join it into that piece, and you're going to go under and back around. And now you're going to add into this piece. So grab a slice, add it all together, you're going to go under and back around. Now we're adding into this piece, and you're just going to keep doing this all the way down. So you're taking the section under all the way back to the other side, doing the same on the other side, so joining in, underneath, all the way back around. It's cool, isn't it?
It's really cool.
So basically the chunk of hair here just keeps coming to the same side. So if it's a right-sided piece, it goes all the way back to the right side. It doesn't swap over like an ordinary braid. So I'm just pinching that at the nape of the neck, tying that up, and then I'm going to wrap this hair tie with some hair. Just going to come to the side now and give a little bit of volume to this ponytail. Completely optional, but I think this style just is a little bit different than just doing a regular, you know, box braid or Dutch braid, French braid, and it's just wrapping around and not changing sides, and it gives the style a whole different look. So I just love how this style looks from the side. I like the sort of sweeping effect, and then if I just turn around to the back there, you can see that wrap effect. Let me know in the comments if you're going to give this a go.